Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Ohatsu Tenjin. Ohatsu Tenjin, official name Tsuyunoten Shrine, is a historic shrine in the Sonezaki area of Kita Ward, Osaka. It's known as the shrine for love and good relationships. The shrine became famous because of the traditional puppet and kabuki play Sonezaki Shinju, written by Chikamatsu Monzaemon. The story is about two lovers, Ohatsu and Tokubei. Because of this, people now call the shrine Ohatsu Tenjin. Inside the shrine, there is a statue of Ohatsu and Tokubei. Many couples and tourists take pictures there. You can also find heart-shaped Emma, wooden prayer practice, and love-themed omikuji fortune slips. These are signs in English so foreign visitors can enjoy it easily. Recently, the shrine has become popular on social media too. The shrine is close to Umeda, one of the busiest areas in Osaka. Even though it is in the city, it's quiet and peaceful. You can feel Japanese history and culture. The shrine also held events during the New Year, summer festivals, and other special times of the year. Ohatsu Tenjin is easy to visit. It is about a 5-minute walk from Higashi Umeda Station, Osaka Metro, or Osaka Umeda Station, Hankyu and Hanshin. If you want to see a romantic and cultural place in the center of Osaka, Ohatsu Tenjin is a great spot. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.